such kind of attacks are increasing these days,
Yeah.
and especially after this ISIS stuff coming in.
Yes.
These things were not handled properly when they initially started, and I think from what I hear in the news, there are like two groups forming. I mean, the US group and the Russian group. So, I mean, the countries are not taking it seriously. They are not working together at this point. So, all I can say is it's high time to take care of these as a group rather than having their individual interest in mind. So, I mean, that's all I can say right now. The day this news came in, we start comparing it with Mumbai attacks and all. But I mean, we should not compare these with any of the incidents that occurred before. After all, it's not something that we are very proud of. It's something that hurts people. That's not something that should be happening in this world. So all I can say is this is not a good thing to have. And besides the thing that these nations want to have it together, we should always make sure that it should not be religion based or something, because many times it starts having a comparison between so and so people are doing it, so and so religion is being taken. So it's all something that should be taken as a humanitarian perspective, not from a religion perspective. That's all I can say.
It's like quite shocking over there that terrorism attack has been over there, and people are like blaming to Muslims because every time any terrorist attack is there, it is like any terrorist attack there, then
Exactly.
Muslims are behind
Muslim,
it.
if I want to, even if I want to go for a trip normally, now I find it difficult for myself to get even the visa permit to just on a traveling basis. So this is creating problem for all the Muslim residents, whoever. Now first it was in US, abhi thoda it's become a little light on a Muslim side.
Yeah.
Even now, if they get to know if it is a Sheikh or Khan or Pathan,
Now,
been a problem
Why only
for
surname has
the
been become
surname
the-
has been me getting a visa for 20 years in US. Now even I want to go for further studies over there, but me getting a visa permit for 20 years whatever in US would be a difficult thing, you know. So इसकी वजह से our job thing, our future and our studies, education and everything is getting restricted.
And then it becomes a
It
religious
becomes a-
problem.
Now again in the 2611 Act, the people who did were Muslims only.
Yeah.
Now me being a Mohammedan, me sitting at home, it was my thing कि मैंने कुछ किया है? नहीं, it was not my thing. लेकिन अभी भी people say कि Muslims are there because of only one person.
Why only
Although-
Muslim? Why
Why
only
only
Muslims?
Muslim? Exactly. See, probably there can be Taliban, whatever they are doing, and
ISIS.
And they might not be Indians. Indians
Jewish,
are not
even
all.
they do it.
हाँ हाँ
Yeah.
So now it's just that only Muslim tag वो खराब हो रहा है.
वही मतलब
तो-
जो अच्छे मुस्लिम्स है और जो अच्छे रिलीजन्स में
It's just
मुस्लिम्स
that
है
आप
उनको अगर
peacefully
उनकी
रहो।
ये भी नज़र देखा जाता है कि चलो ये भी टेररिस्ट ही है ये भी काइंड ऑफ
Exactly. अब मुझे if I want to go
सो
abroad,
व्हाट वी कैन डू वी हैव टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड राइट
exactly, it's quite difficult. Only one
You
person.
can see the camera like we have to change the world.
We have to change the world.
We have to change the nation.
Exactly.
अभी जो पेरिस पे जो अटैक हुआ मोस्टली वो उन लोग का अगर पेरिस उन लोग से कुछ टेररिस्ट लोगों का कुछ ये रहेगा बिलीफ रहेगा कि पेरिस इट्स मीन्स पेरिस पर अगर अटैक करेंगे तो हम लोग को अटेंशन ज़्यादा मिलेगा मतलब पब्लिक का. सो अटैक्स के बाद पेरिस ने जो अपना मूवमेंट किया जो एक्शंस किए वो मुझे ठीक लगे क्योंकि उनके मीडिया ने भी उनके लिए सपोर्ट किया.
Yeah.
मतलब उन लोग ने कुछ डेड बॉडीज़ वगैरह टीवी पे नहीं दिखाई.
Yes.
And even they don't told us about who terrorists attacked them.
Yeah.
कौन से टेररिस्ट ने अटैक्स किया. और उनके बाद अभी कुछ रिसेंटली न्यूज़ आई शायद कि दे मतलब उन्होंने वापस पेरिस ने अटैक किया शायद जो टेररिस्ट
ग्रुप था या
वापस उस पर अटैक किया.
हाँ.
सो उन लोग का एक्शन जो फास्ट था जो फास्ट थिंकिंग थी उन लोग की वो लोग ने मतलब बोलना ये नहीं किया कि उन लोग ने उनके पॉलिटिशियंस ने ये नहीं कहा कि हम लोग रिग्रेट करते हैं इसके लिए. दे टुक द एक्शन दैट इज़ नेसेसरी और वो मुझे ठीक लगा. टेररिस्ट मतलब ये ना हम लोग इंडिविजुअल माइंड पे थिंकिंग होना चाहिए हम लोग का. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि कैसा रहता है अभी किधर अटैक हुआ तो मोस्टली पब्लिक डर के सहम के बैठ जाते हैं
हाँ.
कि चलो यार अपना कोई नहीं मारा चलो ठीक है.
हाँ.
इधर उधर फ़ोन कर लिया शांत बैठ गए ठीक है बाजू आ जाओ हो जाओ. अभी उन लोग अब प्रोटेस्ट अगर करेंगे आप क्योंकि जो मिनिस्टर्स वगैरह जो जिनको हम लोग वोट करते हैं वही जाके ऊपर बैठते हैं.
बराबर.
तो अगर हम लोग उनको कुछ नहीं बताएंगे तो वो लोग वैसे भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सो इट्स आवर ड्यूटी टू टेल देम दैट if anything is happened like terrorist attack and all that, so do something fast. और तब तक हम लोग उनको प्रोटेस्ट करना चाहिए.
पास नहीं करोगे मतलब लेट होते जाएगा.
या लेट तो होते ही जाएगा.
In one word, what do you want to say about the world?
That
Stop the terrorism.
yeah, stop the terrorism, fight back, and tell your predecessors, means tell your predecessors that what is your duty. Realize them that what's their duty.
Well, I would like to say that if people become little more spiritual, then they would not be so inhuman.
Okay. So why only like Muslims only like the things are that कि नहीं Muslims only with the terrorists are like क्यों Muslim ही है एक चीज़ पे लगता
See,
है?
there are, if you have to get, I don't know the roots of it, why this has happened, that all this G7 countries know or G5 country knows about it better. But these are the facts. Not all are terrorists, but all terrorists are Muslims.
Yeah, that is yeah.
That's the reality. So one has to get into the grassroots level of this and why it does happen. What is the reason why they are frustrated with the rest of the world? There must be some reason. It's never the case that only one person is right. When if I am fighting against you or you fighting against me, so where somewhere or the other, I would say even if you are 80% right, chalo, if I am 80%, there must be 20 or 40% somebody else's fault also. I would not like to rule that out. But the method which they are adopting to prove their point, it's not right.
Yeah.
It's not right. There are many ways and means. See, you also must have shown your rebellion in front of your parents or elders or brothers, sisters, or wherever you are employed. The difference of opinion comes because there are head to head, the opinion will differ. But that doesn't mean that you use violence.
Yeah.
Like if you see Jainism is totally based only on one word.
One word, yeah.
Ahimsa.
Ahimsa
That is
Paramo
non-violence.
Dharma.
Ahimsa Paramo Dharma.
Uh-huh.
So that Jainism is based only on one word.
Yes.
And that whole word that Jainism is based.
ये terrorism stop होगा कि नहीं होगा?
Sir, वो तो it's not in my hand. But if they believe in non-violence tomorrow, if they start practicing this, I feel it's difficult, but not impossible.
Hey guys, I'm Abhinav,
I am Gaurav Kothari.
and the reason why we are making video today is about the Paris attack.
Yes.
We are actually very much hurt about the Paris attack. Whatever has happened has touched our soul because we have actually experienced it
Yeah.
when it happened in Mumbai, when it happened in India. If you have any thought about it,
Yes.
अगर आपका कुछ राय है अपनी खुद की, अगर आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं इस टॉपिक के बारे में, तो प्लीज़ आप नीचे कमेंट कीजिए, ये वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड प्लीज़ ये वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए कि जितने यूथ है हमारे इंडिया के, whoever our youth है, इन लोगों तक पहुँचे, यंगस्टर्स तक पहुँचे, इनके दिमाग में ये सब बातें जाएं कि नहीं ये हमारा देश है, हमें खुद को अपने देश को बचा के रखना है.
So guys, subscribe to our channel and share your comments. What do you want to say about Paris attack? What do you want to say about it? You are fully considered.
Thank you so much guys and keep watching Hula Hool TV.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.